Hey, what's up, guys? rayBar checking in with another market update. Today's video should be pretty quick and to the point. If you see, my portfolio for the day is barely up by about $5. For the week, I'm up about $115.48. Got my options here. You will see that I did end up closing out my options for a September execution for AUR, Aurora Innovative Technologies. My call on plug power here, I did a $9 strike. We have a couple more hours until the market closes. I need the stock to fall about 20 cents now in order for my shares not to get called away from me. But honestly, even if they do, I'm not as concerned because I've been making premium over the last couple months, selling covered calls on my position in plug power. My average cost in plug happens to be $9.50. But if you factor in all the premiums that I've collected, my average cost is really in the mid sevens. If you go check out my other video, why your brokerage is, or how your brokerage is lying to you, you can understand what I'm talking about recording my actual cost basis. Other than that, I got about $600 or so in my cash account, earning a little bit of money. Sold out of my two other cryptocurrency plays, only in Bitcoin at the moment, which is honestly, like I said, just a pure throw some money in there. If it goes to the moon, fantastic. If it doesn't, then everything's fine. I'm doing my normal reoccurring buys. The market is trending up, throughout the week. Not really sure what the catalyst is right now. I think, with the push in AI stocks and typical technology stocks like Microsoft and Apple kind of being on a run, I think it's just pushing the broader market higher. I will say I did add a new position to the portfolio, which is ORGN Materials. ORGN Materials, what they are is they are a carbon negative materials company engaging in providing sustainable materials by replacing petroleum-based materials and decarbonized materials. I think the play that I have on this stock, if you look, analysts are saying it's a buy right now at 83% saying it's a buy for 6 analysts. So probably about 4 or 5 of them are saying to buy. This stock has been kind of beaten up over the last year. It was around $5-6. And here we are around, 4 since inception, in 2020, when a lot of companies went IPO, they went to 11, and obviously here down about 50%. So the play that I have on ORGN Materials is that, you have to kind of go with market trends, right? I think the massive push for sustainability, ESG, and all these other things, some stocks like this have potential to break out. Again, for me, one of the key things that I like about this stock is they're partnering, with a ton of major brands, not only in the retail space, but also in the automotive space, like Ford, to, do seat materials or plastics on the inside of the car, etc. So I think this stock has an opportunity in the long run to potentially kind of gain. Again, I opened a very small position for about $25 or so. Very small. I'll probably end up adding to this position just like I ended up doing with Republic First Bank. And, if I see like a quick double up or something like that, I will definitely probably exit the position. But this is one penny stock that I think you should add to your list. Maybe do a little bit more research. And, if you think that this stock has outward potential, go ahead and pick up a couple of shares, right? I have my normal recurring buys, my normal watch list here. I'm going to go over to my history for the week, only in the brokerage account, and go back to kind of the beginning of the week, right? I hit my reoccurring buys. I messed up here and actually bought $351 of Coke whenever I was only trying to buy $3.51. So I ended up selling back all of it and getting a quick profit. And then I bought back into my original size position in Coke. But other than that, did my market or my weekly deposit, made my premium from my covered call on plug power. I just discussed what happened with Coke. I ended up buying a little bit extra on Visa, Aflac, Archer Daniels Midland, and Realty Income with some extra money that I just had put in the portfolio. Got some money from the stock lending program. I do this as an extra way to make a little bit of money here. If you see, it's about like 55 cents total. Nothing too big, but every cent counts in my opinion. Got a dividend from Archer Daniels Midland for about 12 cents. I ended up closing both of those calls that I had open for AUR, Aurora Innovative Technologies, mainly because the stock has been on a run. It went from about $1.50 all the way up to like $2.16, $2.17. So I wanted to hedge my bet and close out my positions. I ended up selling calls on these for I think about $10 or $15 a piece. So I might have lost, 20 to 30 bucks here. But I think if the stock continues to run, it'll be better off for me because I will be able to sell the stock at a better price. I'll look to maybe sell the July 21st option on this, the closer we get past the July 16th maturity. Here's that $25.55 buy of the ORGN materials. You got a $1.48 dividend from Microsoft. Got my pending recurring buys again. And I'm going to receive a $9.29 dividend from Main Street Capital and a 12-cent dividend from Realty Income. Overall, not too many changes to the portfolio, but I did want to introduce, like I said, just general market update, kind of options plays that I'm doing, as well as that new penny stock, ORGN Materials, and why I'm buying it. If you guys are still here in this part of the video, smash that like button, comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't, right? And my Easter egg for this video, if you're still here, for my most loyal viewers and subscribers, comment water, because water is life, and be sure to drink your daily dose of water, because basically we're made up of water, right? Appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you guys back on Monday with another video.